In this video, I'm going to be going through the steps that you can take to master ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you're going to know all the steps that you need to take to get the exact response out of ChatGPT that you want. Let's dive into step 1. Step 1 is to give ChatGPT an identity. That is to make sure that you actually tell ChatGPT exactly who it is that it needs to respond like. So if you're wanting ChatGPT to write you a marketing email that you're going to be sending out, tell ChatGPT that it's a marketing expert in a specific industry and it must pull on the knowledge of that industry and its knowledge of marketing emails and engagement to write the email that you are now wanting. So step number 2 is to actually define your objectives. So tell ChatGPT what you want the outcome to look like. So if this is a marketing email, you can give it context as to how long you want the email to be, the audience that it would be speaking to, whether the audience has vast knowledge of the industry or whether the audience does not have vast knowledge of the industry. So outline exactly what you would want the output to look like. So define the output. And then step number 3 would be to give ChatGPT examples of what you would like the output to look like. So if you've received marketing emails before that you think are really engaging, or your own marketing campaigns, you can choose the emails that have been sent out that work the best. You can copy the subject and you can copy the body of the text and then paste it in here and say, these are examples of texts that have worked really well in the past in my campaigns. So mimic this text, style, and tone. So what we can see now is that ChatGPT has given us a response. So step 4 is to refine your output. ChatGPT is going to remember everything within the conversation that you're in. So what we can do is we can ask it additional questions to refine this output better, to refine the answer that we want better. So we could look at this response and we could say, for me, this is a little bit long and I would like slightly different benefits to drinking water. So I could ask ChatGPT to make this shorter and so it's going to remember your initial input into ChatGPT. It knows what is outputted for you. And now it knows what you've asked it to change. So now it's just going to take all that information, give you something slightly shorter and with different bullet points. So now we can take this and we can customize it more if we need to, or we could send this to our audience and see how well this does. So these are 4 steps that you can take to get a much, much better response out of ChatGPT. I have put all of this inside of a PDF, which you can download with a link to some additional resources that other people have created that give prompting tips and so on. So you can grab that. It's all in a link in the description. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel. I put digital marketing and AI content out here weekly.